reckon? I reckon we give it a go.
This is the dumbest, well, this isn't the dumbest idea we've had. It's just another dumb idea we have.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go, I don't know about dumbest.
It's the dumbest idea, but
it's a dumb idea.
It looks like fun.
G'day, Stu from UAVfutures here, and today, well, I can't believe this is kind of happening. This is a video going straight out to you guys out there. You don't have a high-end set of goggles yet, you want to get into the hobby, but you also don't want to, you've seen how much they're anything, and that is so much money. The new HDOs are like 500 bucks, or the OLED, skyzones, all that sort of stuff. It is a ton of cash, and everybody always says, invest in your goggles. It's the best place to spend money in this hobby, and I'm going to say, yeah, I agree. You need to get a good pair of goggles. That's how you connect with the world, but today, you don't need to spend a ton of cash, because recently I just did a bit of a Google. These bad boys, the aomway V1Ss, which are by far still a fantastic goggle, I think better than any box goggle out there, and I used the original aomway V1s for a long time. The aomway V1Ss, which are like the upgraded version, they are coming in at like $170 or $175 or something like that. And I don't know if that's a typo, I don't know if that's a mistake, but it is very exciting time to you guys out there. So I'm gonna say, regardless of what brand you guys have, Skyzone, aomways, orcas, fat sharks, whatever people are flying around, I'm sure nobody can argue for 175 bucks. That's probably the best value FPV goggles on the market. Kind of ridiculous that you can get like a diversity DVR, all that sort of stuff in these aomway goggles with antennas. And yeah, if you're getting into the hobby, you want to get a small pair of goggles like this style, like the Fat Shark Skyzone Orca style, like this. Well, the aomway V1Ss at $175, it's an absolute no-brainer. Now that's going to bring us on to the speculation of why is this happening. It's a very exciting time in our hobby. DJI is coming in, goggle manufacturers are freaking out. We have Skyzone, who is absolutely killing it and listening to the customers, making what we want in goggles, putting in power switches, you know, fans built in, all that sort of stuff. Fat Shark's freaking out. aomway's probably been making the Commander V1s in like 2018. They were very, very popular. Fat Shark had such a monopoly, and now they're thinking, man, we need to fight back. We need to listen to what people want, and they're improving their goggles, and the prices are coming down. It's just an exciting time for analog FPV. So I'd love to know, what do you guys think? I'll link these down below, but what do you think about the price of the aomway V1Ss for 175 bucks? What do you think about that? If you were getting into the hobby, or were going to upgrade to this, would this be a purchase, or would you save up for like a $500 pair of the new HDOs or whatever's coming out? And also, what do you think about the state of the current goggle market with so many options, so many choices, the prices are crazy, and I don't know, it's just very, very exciting times. With now, we have a lot of competition. It's not just one person anymore, and I couldn't be happier, because better choice, better prices for us means more people flying, more people enjoying the hobby. So anyway, that was just a quick bonus video that I thought was kind of shocking, so I don't know, check that out. Other than that, subscribe for more FPV related content, and as always, happy flying.
I reckon we give it a go.
This is the dumbest, well, this isn't the dumbest idea we've had. It's just another dumb idea we have.
Yeah.
But we're gonna go up, and we've got the whole GoPro, my filming rig, which is like a big camera adaptation, strapped to the top.
A big strap on.
Where's my drone? Oh, here it is. I'll see if I can show people. Tony, this is the dumbest idea we've had.
No, I wouldn't say,
well, I don't know about dumbest.
I wouldn't say it's the dumbest idea, but
it's a dumb idea.
It looks like fun.
Alright, let's see. I'm going to take the mic out though, because I don't want that getting sliced up in an accident.
What's the worst that can happen?
We slice the microphone, I can't do any work for the rest of the day.
That's magic, magic.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Do you want me to? I'll chase you.
Alright. Alright, you good?
I will be. Oh. What about this?
You want to go off from the top? I think you'll fall off before we know it. Anything you could.
Look, mate, look, that's good, that's good. It's not going anywhere.
You want me to take you up? Anything we could do, look, he's just put a bit of...
No, because if that holds it down, I'm not getting off.
If you go with silly ideas for the day.
Yeah, that looks unreal from my shot.
Alright, hang on. So,
look at these goggles, just quickly stick your head in there.
Yeah, hang on, let me stick that on now and we'll see what this looks like. love elastic bands, Stuart. Alrighty, you ready?
Yep.
Put that there and there. Right on the CG. Loads of drag. Put that over there. That there.
Yeah, that's good. If it falls off, who cares?
I'll have to try and do a nice look. Let's have a look. That looks sick. Alright. You ready?
Let me test arm. Oh, I've got to make sure I can arm. Alrighty. I should just leave it in idle like that?
No, because if it falls off, it'll just chop the plane up, won't it? You can arm it. Oh, what is it? Will it arm on aim? Funny.
Yeah, that's what I mean. Here, I'll just move the wings.
The only thing is when I pitch up, oh, let's just see what happens.
Okay. Alright, I'm gonna move over to here. Yep.
Alright, you ready?
Do you want me to hold it?
No, I'll do it.
Okay.
Safe. It's all safe. Let's just say that aerodynamically that wasn't the best.
What happened then? What was that noise?
There was way too much drag, and I was on like half elevator, just trying to stay.
I started to slide off, so I thought, where's my drone?
Do you know what? That could have just there. That could have been so much worse.
What I actually thought was it was started to slide off. I'm just going to take off now rather than spin and cut all the top of your
Do you know what?
up.
That was as good as it could have got. I'm glad that's down in one piece.
Yeah.
That could have ended really badly.